And now volume of prisms. So lots of information there. Just if you need to pause the video and have a look at that, let's just talk our way through it. So converting these units is really important. It's the same as what we did with surface area. So if we're going from kilometers to meters, there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. But if we're doing this from kilometers cubed to meters cubed, we multiply our kilometer by 1,000 to the power 3. So just be really careful with that. It's the same kind of process. You can see that in my examples as well. 2.5 meters cubed to centimeters cubed. So the 100 is coming from meters to centimeters, and then we're cubing that value from there. So a prism is anything that has an area for one face and then has been extended along the height line, as you can see from these shapes here. So our volume is the area of the cross section, or the face that has been extended, and then times that by the height. So an example of that is the volume of this square-based prism. So that's 1 times 1 to get the kind of top face of that shape, multiplied by the height from there. So let's have a go. So for our triangular prism here, we're going to find the area of that front face, which is going to be 3 times 4 over 2 times by 6. And that comes out to be 36 centimeters cubed. So units are really important as well. This one, we're just multiplying the cross-section area, 4.2, times our height, and that gives us 29.82. Same thing here, so the cross-section area, 10 times 5, gives us 50 centimeters cubed. So these are from the textbook, and as you can see, they're actually not too challenging. So our first one here, this is question 11 in the textbook. It's getting reasonably tricky, but still not too bad. So 4 times 3 over 2 gives us this area of this face here, and then I'm going to multiply that by the length of our shape, which is 11.2, and that is 67.2 centimeters cubed. Question C, we're basically just multiplying all these values together, so 2.5 times 2.1 times 1.7, and that's going to give us 8.9 kilometers cubed. That's a big shape. Next one's a little bit tricky for E. So going back to our previous formulas, that would be xy over 2 times the length. So this is my x and this is my y, meaning I'd be doing 0.72 times 1.13 all over 2 times the length. And that comes out to be 0.4 meters cubed.